You're watching Mirror 7 News. Stay informed, stay ahead for more news.
Hey everyone, let me walk you through the latest update on a case that's been in the headlines for over a decade. The U.S. Supreme Court has just declined to take up an appeal from Kim Davis, the former Kentucky county clerk who became a national figure back in 2015. You might remember her. She refused to issue marriage licenses to same-sex couples, citing her religious beliefs, and that defiance landed her in jail for a few days. Well, her legal battle has finally hit a significant milestone. The Supreme Court has said no, leaving the landmark 2015 same-sex marriage ruling, Obergefell v. Hodges, fully intact. Davis' appeal was considered a long shot, but it drew a lot of attention, especially after the 2022 overturning of Roe v. Wade. People were speculating whether the conservative majority Supreme Court might take a second look at Obergefell. Her lawyers argued that she should have the right to cite her religious beliefs under the First Amendment, and even suggested the court consider overturning the 2015 ruling altogether. However, the court declined the appeal without comment and without any noted dissents, effectively affirming that marriage equality remains the law of the land. To give some context, Davis' original actions sparked major legal battles. After Obergefell legalized same-sex marriage nationwide, she refused to issue licenses to couples like David Moore and David Ermold. A federal judge ordered her to comply, and when she didn't, she was held in contempt and jailed for 6 days. Moore and Ermold were eventually able to get their license, and the state later adjusted the law so licenses could be issued without the clerk's name attached. Beyond that, Davis was ordered to pay $100,000 in damages to the couple and $260,000 in attorney fees. She appealed these rulings, insisting her religious rights were being ignored. LGBTQ advocates have welcomed the Supreme Court's decision, seeing it as a clear reinforcement of marriage equality. Kevin Jennings, CEO of Lambda Legal, emphasized that the ruling affirms what's already been established. Marriage equality is the law, and the rights of same-sex couples are protected. On the other side, conservative legal groups like Liberty Counsel, representing Davis, have vowed to continue pushing for challenges to Obergefell, arguing that the decision was egregiously wrong from the start. While the Supreme Court has strengthened religious rights in some cases over the past decade, this latest ruling shows that, at least for now, the fundamental rights granted by Obergefell won't be overturned. The case will now return to the lower courts, where Moore and Ermold will continue efforts to collect the damages they were awarded. So, in short, the Supreme Court has spoken. The fight over Obergefell might continue in some corners, but marriage equality remains firmly protected across the country. Stay subscribed for more videos.